Hi, today I'm going to show you how to see the won deals in PipeDrive. So if you happen to look for the deals that have already been won and you do not know where to find them, I hope that this video will be helpful for you. So let's of course start by logging into our PipeDrive. As you can see here, I have my main deal view and my main pipeline visible in here. So the simplest way to put this, how you can see the won deals, is to apply a filter. There is no more magic to that. In order to apply a filter, you need to go to a particular pipeline and go to everyone. And then here you have filters on the right. You click the filters and then you have all won deals. Boom, all of the won deals have appeared on my screen within this particular pipeline. Of course, if you would like to have more precise filter, that will, for example, filter your deals that have been won in the past week or past month or past quarter, you can add a separate filter by clicking to add a new filter. In order to do that, you will need to choose the conditions. And this can be pretty tricky if you are new to filters in PipeDrive. I will walk you through it. You add a condition and you can have either the one that will match all of the conditions or the one that is matching any of the conditions. The differences might be hard to grasp at the very beginning, but we'll probably go to that in a separate video. I'm going to choose the deal as my filter because this is what I want to have. I want to see a deal that is won, right? So I'm going to see the won time. This is what I need. Won time is, and then you can choose from the list, last quarter, this quarter, next quarter, last month, this month, and so on. Or you can choose the exact time if you would like to see, for example, the deals that have been closed on a particular day, which probably is not what you're looking for because most of the times we are looking at some time periods. So let's just go for this month. And if you would like this to be only one of the condition, you just add a name for it. So deals won this month. And in order, this is very important and often overlooked, if you want this to be visible for all of the sales reps in the organization or managers, you need to click shared. If you want this only to be visible to you, you click private. And by default, it's set to private. So if you will create a filter for anyone else to use and it will not be shared, they will not see it. As simple as that. So I'm going to create a shared filter. I'm going to click save and boom, as you can see, the filter is already applied. Deals won this month. I see the damone, however it is called. This is a demo environment. And if I will go back to deals closed last quarter, I don't see anything. All won deals. Again, you can see that the view is changing dynamically. So this is how you can see the won deals in PipeDrive, but there's also a way. This also shows you this particular pipeline, right? So if you would like to see the won deals for multiple pipelines or apply some more conditions, great way to do that is to configure a report, an insight for you that will help you do just that. So let's go right into it. And if you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe. There is more knowledge about PipeDrive and CRMs coming your way. Same when it comes to B2B sales and marketing. So I'm going to go to Insights right here on the left. And in order to create a new report, I'm going to hit the plus button here. And I'm going to choose Report. And in order to get the report about deals, of course, I need to choose the deal here. And I'm going to choose the conversion. This actually makes PipeDrive set or preset some of the conditions that I need. But as you can see here, I would like to create a win-loss instead of the funnel. And I'm going to delete the condition when it was created. This does not interest me. I would like to have the filter. And here you are adding the conditions. So this is pretty important because as you will go with the flow, as they say, with the configuring the reports, you're going to get a better grasp on that. But to put this very, very shortly, the more you will add to that, the more detail you will have the particular report, but this can also be pretty confusing, especially in some of the cases. As you can see here, I have two different filters that I'm applying to this particular report. And in order to have that, I would like to have only status is any of, status is 1. This is what I want. So in order to set that, I need to change the status to is 1. And this is the first criteria that I'm going to apply here. I'm going to apply also the pipeline. So why I'm going to do that, I'm going to show you this in a second. So as you can see is right now, I only see what I have been able to see on the deal view. So only the won deals for my pipeline, right? The default pipeline that I have. But if I will add here is any of, so the third one, and I'm going to create multiple entities here. So I'm going to add pipeline and trainings. I am receiving what I just mentioned to you a couple of minutes ago. So right now I see all of the deals that have been won in both pipeline and trainings pipeline. If you have more of these, you can add 5, 7, 8, 10, however you would like to set this report. This is up to you, but it will show you everything. And let's say that I would like to also narrow it down to the deals that have been won by my sales team this month, right? So I'm going to look for that. Date, deal closed on. This is what I'm looking for. And here you can see this year. I'm going to change this to this month. And as you can see here, it's pretty funny because it's 1st of Feb today. But if I'm going to choose here the last month, I'm going to see the January. And what is important, and remember about that, if you do your reports in PipeDrive, it is always going to show you the last month. So if you would like to have separate reports for each month or something like that, you will have to reapply this, or you will have to create separate reports. Because on the 1st of March, it will show me the February, right? If you would like your January still to be visible, then you have to change this particular criteria. I hope that this makes sense. I'm saving this report here. I'm going to name it one last month, my dashboard, my report. And you know, this report is already saved. If the more things will come to that, it will be shown here. As you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 deals that have been won in January. If I'm going to go to one of these, I can see which one was it. If you would like to also apply some of the information on that and see it, you can change this on the view here of the report. And as you can see, this is a one lost report. So you are going to see here that my win rate is 100%, which oftentimes is not the case, right? This is the win-loss. If you would like to have a different type of view here, a different type of report, you need to create a separate one, but I'm going to cover this in a separate video. Anyways, if this was anyhow helpful for you, I hope it was, then subscribe to our channel. Let me know what other things you would like me to cover in the videos about PipeDrive and about other things related to B2B sales and marketing in general. And have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll stick around. Thanks.